Vacuum leak tester. Tiny leaks, massive problems. Detect them before they happen. Vacuum leak testing checks seal integrity in pouches, blisters, and bottles by creating a pressure differential. Any leak allows bubbles or collapse, immediately flagged. A non-destructive, quick method for quality checks. Standard ASTM D3078.